not gonna hurt you. I'm trying to help you. Man, you're like big stuck. I hear ya. I'm not gonna hurt you. All right. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. You're fine. I don't know how you got so stuck.